In figure 7.11, a toy made from a hemisphere, a cylinder and a cone is shown. Find the total surface area of the toy. Okay, now student, here in this figure you can see this toy is made from the combination of hemisphere. This part is hemisphere. This middle part is cylinder. And this is conical shape. So the toy is the combination of hemisphere, cylinder and cone. Dimensions given here. This height of the cone is given 4 centimeter and radius of the cone is given 3 centimeter. Radius of cone is equal to radius of the cylindrical shape. It is also equal to radius of hemisphere. The height of this cylindrical part is given 40 centimeter. So we have to find out total area of the toy. Now to find out the total area, we don't require these bases. We require only this outer portion, and this outer portion is the curved surface area of each shape. So if we want to find out total area of this toy, we have to find curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of this hemisphere. Understood? Then we will get the total area of this toy. Follow the question. So let us solve this. Question number 8. So first write down what is given. First shape, this conical shape. So first shape we will write cone here. So height of the cone is given. H is given. This height of the cone is given 4 centimeter. Then this radius of the base of cone is given 3 centimeter. Okay. But to find out the curved surface area of cone, curved surface area of cone, we required slant height of the cone. Because the formula for curved surface area of cone is pi r L, and L means the slant height. So let us first find out slant height. So slant height L is equal to r square plus h square using Pythagoras theorem. Slant height L we don't know, so find out. L square is equal to r square plus h square, 3 square plus 4 square. Nine plus 16. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25, and therefore L is equal to 5 centimeter. Therefore curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L. Students, here the answer is kept in the form of pi. So no need to substitute value of pi. Pi into 3 into 5. So 5 3s are 15 pi centimeter square. This is curved surface area of cone. Okay. Now let us find curved surface area of this cylindrical shape. So next shape is cylinder. For cylinder, radius R is given 3 centimeter and height H is given 40 centimeter. See, this length is considered as height 40 centimeter. Therefore, curved surface area of cylinder, formula for curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. 2 into pi into 3 into 40. 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 24 and 0. So 240 pi centimeter square. This is curved surface area of cylinder. Then third shape is hemisphere. Hemisphere. For hemisphere we have only one dimension, that is radius. R is equal to 3 centimeter. Therefore, curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square equal to 2 into pi. R is 3, so 3 into 3. So 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 pi centimeter square. Okay, so we got curved surface area of cone 15 pi centimeter square, curved surface area of cylinder 240 pi centimeter square, and curved surface area of hemisphere 18 pi centimeter square. Now we have to find total area of the toy. Therefore, total area of the toy is equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. So 15 pi plus 240 pi plus 18 pi. So we have to add this. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And this 2. 273 pi centimeter square. So this is the answer. Then we will write the answer in the statement. Therefore, total area of the toy is 273 pi centimeter square. This is the answer.